What's up, everybody in the YouTube world? How are y'all doing? Today is April 26th, and I know it's been a minute. Well, actually, it has not even been that long. Like, I think the last video I did was in March. We're gonna fact check that, and I'm gonna put it right here. And usually I go way longer than that before I post another video, so I think that I'm doing okay. I'm doing better than what I normally do. And any progress is progress, so I'll take it. Today, you guys, it's a vlog, so I'm gonna be taking you guys along with me, because I got a few things to do today. So I'm gonna bring y'all along, because I know y'all want to come, because y'all know. So for all of my realtor people out there, welcome. If you are new to the channel, welcome. If you're new, drop a comment in the comment section below. Let us know you new. You know, you don't come up in nobody's place without introducing yourself, without saying hi. Let us know that you are in the place, okay? So, moving right along, you guys. Right now, I'm on my way to do a, a video tour of a home that I have up under contract. So I have to do that, and so I thought, why not bring you guys along with me? Why not, right? So I gotta record anyway, so why not? So I'm going to do that now, and then I gotta grab some teas, some loaded teas, because we doing high puffs and loaded teas today. What else do I have to do? Oh, I need to find a booking system, because I need to send calendar invites, because I have three clients at the moment. Three clients and 2 potential clients. So I need to do better with scheduling so that I can remember who's calling who for what. I also need to work on my contacts. And I need to do that because I've been sending the wrong messages to the wrong people. Just silly, stupid mistakes that could be avoided if I just add the contact. But I don't want my contact list, like on my phone, filled up with realtor contacts and personal contacts. So I'm looking for a system that I can put that contact information in without having to actually add it to my contact list on my phone. And let's just do a little quick catch up. So the kids, let's talk about kids. They are thriving in their brick and mortar school. I mean, they have adjusted so well. The first year, it was, a bit of a struggle, a bit of an adjustment, because they were so used to going to school online, turning in work when they wanted to, wait until the last minute to turn in all of their work, to like do a bulk completion. And that is just not the way life works. Connections Academy, that is one thing that I need you guys to tighten up on, is deadlines. I understand flexibility, but at some point there has to be a cap, because you're teaching them. What I noticed is when they transferred to the regular brick and mortar school, they still had those same habits. So they were thinking that they could turn this work in like at the end of the year, and no, you have a deadline set by the teacher and you have to meet it. And that's just in everyday life. You have bills, they have a due date that you need to abide by, or there's consequences for being late. So that was the biggest hurdle that we had to overcome, and we did, and everything is now just smooth sailing. Everyone's grades are up. I am very, very proud. I'm so proud. But as far as kids, they are great. Leo and Jade, I have to do a video in regards to that. I have get over, dude. Like, take 25 years to get over. But anyways, I have video clips of Jade's when we brought Jade home. I just haven't compiled it into a video. I also need to do a video on life with a 2-year-old established puppy versus getting a new puppy, introducing them, something of that nature, because y'all, it was a struggle. It was a struggle, and some days it's still a struggle. Some days are definitely better than others, but some days we still struggle. But overall, Leo and Jade are doing great. They absolutely love each other. At first, I really did not think that Leo was going to take a liking to Jade, because how it first started out, it didn't seem like he really liked her. He didn't want to be around her. He did not even want to be like in the same room as her. And she just loved him from the jump. She wanted to be around him. She wanted to just be on his bed, be all up in his face, and he was not having it. But that's totally the opposite now. They can't do anything without each other. Real estate, it's been real estate. That's all I can say. As you can tell, see, I'm doing something within real estate now. I will say that if there are any new realtors out there that are looking for a brokerage, email me or DM me. Find a way to contact me. I can give you a lot of information on the brokerage that I am with. We have great programs, great mentorships. I was in the mentorship program. I definitely needed it. I definitely highly encourage any new realtor that is stepping into the realtor playground, the realtor world. You definitely need mentorship. If this is something that you have not done before, if it's something that you're new to, if it's something that you don't know anybody else who has ever done it that you can call and, you know, ask a couple questions, you're gonna need the mentorship. And a lot of brokerages offer it, but they do not do it. I say that again. A lot of brokerages, you will find and you will see that they will say, we offer mentorship. We offer free mentorship. Well, let me just clear that up. The mentorship is definitely not free. If you're not paying a fee up front, it's coming out of your commission. There will be some type of split fee or transaction fee for the mentorship. They're going to get paid for that time, which is fine as long as they are actually doing what a mentor does. My mentor she's still my mentor. It's freaking great. It's two closings but one transaction. It's because I worked both sides of the transaction. I was the listing agent for the seller and I was the transaction broker for the buyer, because he did not want to be represented with a real estate agent. He just wanted someone to draw up the paperwork and negotiate on his behalf, which I did. So that is closing next week. I have that, and I'm gonna try to decide if I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. But yes, I have that closing next week, and then today I have the virtual video recording home tour for my client, and then that closing probably won't be until closer towards the end of May. But so far we have everything done. The only thing that we're waiting for now is this video tour that I'm about to do, and then we have a home inspection scheduled Monday, and then a wood infestation inspection Wednesday. So, and that's all within the same client that I'm doing the home tour for. So I have a bit of a busy schedule next week. I also may have a buyer consultation, but I'm not sure. The buyers have not got back with me yet, but I'm super excited. I also need to connect with the lender that I'm working with on this transaction. I want to meet her face to face. So I'm working on networking, being better about that, because I'm noticing and realizing, and this is a realtor tip for new agents, networking is key. You're gonna have to get out there and talk to people. You're gonna have to break out of that shell. You can definitely still be an introvert and be a realtor. I am doing it. But you still have to, there's gonna be moments where you're gonna have to break out of that, and you're gonna have to talk to people. You're gonna have to meet up with people, and you're just gonna have to put on that F it face, that F it attitude, and just do it. So what else can I catch y'all up on? I think that's it so far. And this will be, I will discuss this in another video, but if there are any agents that are looking for a brokerage home, like I said, reach out to me. We have great programs, especially if you're an agent who has 4 or more transactions. We have a program, it's called Elevate, and it sends you leads, up to 4 to 5 leads a month, I think, and it's only $50 a month. And also too, it comes with that, it's just a whole big thing. You get so much for $50. When I tell you, I cannot wait until May, because that's when I plan on signing up. That's when I'll be eligible to sign up. But I can't wait. I will do a whole nother video about the Elevate program when within a couple of weeks. I'll say that within a few weeks. I'll also, if you guys want, I can give you more details in regards to Fathom and whatnot, to let you know what they all have to offer. Fathom is a brokerage that does not do a split, but unless you're part of the mentor program. The mentor program is a 70-30 split, which I was. And to graduate from the mentor program, you have to have 3 transactions. So, but that's neither here nor there. I'm close to the house, so I will see you guys there. I'm gonna listen to some music, and I don't want to get copyrighted, so yeah, y'all good. Welcome back, y'all. So I've done the video tour. I have it uploaded to my Google Drive and my Dropbox to see which one uploads the fastest, and whichever one uploads the fastest, that's what I'm going to use to send. I'm thinking I'm going to have to utilize Google a lot more than what I anticipated, simply because I might have to use their calendar system if Calendly doesn't do what I want it to do. But I'm on my way to get me some chicken, some church's chicken for lunch, because it's 10:08 and I ain't had no breakfast. I'm gonna eat an early lunch when I get home. It's probably gonna be like 10-ish, going on 11. So that's lunchtime for me, especially since I ain't have no breakfast. So yeah, that's what we're doing. Oh, so I'm gonna go to Church's Chicken. I'm gonna get me a tea, and then we gonna go home and see if we can send my client his video. See if we can send my client their video of their home that they have under contract. They are super excited. I'm excited for them. This, yeah, I'm excited. This is amazing. Just being a part of the process of helping someone obtain home ownership is amazing. Helping someone go from a renter to a homeowner is amazing. Helping someone buy that first home, it's amazing. It's a great feeling. I love it. And for all you new realtors out there who are looking to get into the game, feel free to ask me anything. I get emails all the time asking me questions. I do not mind. You don't have to apologize for asking or bothering me. You're not bothering me. If I am busy at the time, I'll just respond when it's a better time, and that's normally not long. Like usually by 48 hours I've responded to comments, emails, DMs, etc. So if y'all have any questions, just reach out to me. If you're looking to buy or sell in Alabama, reach out to me. Yeah, so we're gonna go get this chicken because I don't feel like cooking. I've been up since 5 something this morning, and I just don't want to do it. I don't want to cook. So I'm gonna get something that everybody can eat, that everybody like. Bada boom, bada bang. Period. Healthy frog. Hey. Hippity hoppity. Can I get a hippity hoppity? But instead of red raspberry, could I get peach? Yeah.
You have a good afternoon.
You too.
Almost. Not quite.
Okay, y'all. All right, y'all. So everything that we needed to do here is done. Did the video tour, uploaded it to Google Drive and Dropbox. Google Drive was the winner. Sent it to the client. Haven't heard back from the client yet, although I did just send it. And oh, I got my churches. You got no signal light on. None driving as me. Got my churches. I'm testing the fries. But the family, they good to go. Mind you, I did not even know Churches sells extra large fries. Since when they started doing that? I asked for an extra large fry. They thought I was talking about an extra large fry, but I was literally talking about a second large fry. Like it came with the large fry. So I wanted an extra large fry, but they thought that I meant I wanted an extra large, not an extra large. Yeah, so all that's done. Testing another one just to be on the safe side. They're good. They're good to go. Safe to eat. So did everything I had to do with that. Now I'm about to go home and as y'all seen, got my tea. That one is called Hippity Hoppity. But I changed out the red raspberry because I'm not a fan of raspberry. I like blueberries. I'm just not a fan of raspberry. And changed that out for peach. I love peach and watermelon. Jay, girl, let that man get up. Leave him alone. What are you doing?